Hi guys! So I'm currently here at Santebi to give you a quick site update. So sa mga nanghihingi ng update for Block 35, so ito na po yung ating progress as of today, June 3, 2024. So this is for Lot 11 to Lot 20. So guys, good news, meron pa tayo ditong available na isang unit na quarter 3 naman po yung ating turnover. So, ito po yung Block 35, Lot 14. So, ngayon, puntahan naman natin yung likod ng ating Block 35. So, dito sa Block 35, ang mga nakatayo lang dito is mga twin mansion duplex unit. So, this is the update for Block 35, Lot 1 to 10. At sa tabi ng ating Block 35, dito naman natin makikita yung ating Block 32. So, perimeter fence siya, and nandito lahat po yung ating single attached unit. So, as of today, June 3, ito na po yung ating update for Lot 21 to 31. And finally guys, ito na po yung update natin for Block 44, Lot 4, 5, 6. For project inquiries, you can send me a message to my Viber or WhatsApp number 0921-4453-780 or to my Facebook page, The Southern Broker. See you on my next one!